In this video, I will explain how to fill the TS POLYCET 2024 application form. Hey there, I am Bhargav and you are watching Tech TM. Without any further delay, let's get started. State Board of Technical Education and Training, Telangana, Hyderabad will conduct POLYCET. This exam is an OMR based exam. Total marks 150, number of questions 150. Duration of the exam 2 hours and 30 minutes. These are the important dates. Fee structure for applicants: for SC/ST candidates 250 rupees, for others 500 rupees. Steps to be followed: one-time registration, then followed by login/application, and then fee payment. Now registration process: open a web browser, click TS POLYCET, click on the first link TS POLYCET, then click on the registration tab, enter applicant name as per SSC, enter mobile number, click on send OTP, enter the OTP and click on verify, and then create a password. And confirm the same password. And type the CAPTCHA. And click on register. Now registration has been successfully completed. Now we need to log into our account. Enter mobile number. Enter password. Type the CAPTCHA. Click on login. Now we need to give our personal details: 10th hall ticket number, we need to select 10th passing year, and we need to click get details. Once details are fetched, we need to verify our details. Then click on save and next. Now we need to fill our communication details. Click on save and next. Now we need to select our caste category, enter Aadhaar number, enter caste certificate number, and click on verify caste. Click on save and next. fill special category details. We need to select our region, minority status, assistance in Urdu, physically handicapped, NCC, sports and games, CAP status, PM cares, appearing for biology. Then click on save and next. Once verify all the details and click on submit button and click on yes. Give the preferences for writing the exam, district and mandal. Give total 3 preferences. Then click on pay fee and generate hall ticket. Once confirm your preferences and then click on yes button. Select a gateway. I am selecting build desk. Then click on tick box and proceed. Select any payment method. I am selecting UPI. I have done the payment through PhonePe. After successfully completing the payment, our hall ticket gets generated. If you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section. I will meet you in the next one. Peace out. Hush.